Right, WMC, this is the video to find our two mini winners for treasure box number 2, or mini number 2. So we'll check the time, May 6th at 2:44 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We've got May 6th at 2:44 p.m. There is the list of our 26 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 2 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, that skipped. 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Bill and Bill. My goodness, Bill wins both spots. So there is our verification code, our timestamp once again, May 6th, 2:44 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.